Hello? 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 Hello?
This guy was arrested for not paying child support. Look at his excuse.
Of course, there is one way to get out of paying your child support.
Because I was ineligible to pay it. I was in the hospital. I died in a car accident.
What?
Yep, you had him right. You are looking at a ghost. The blackest ghost from the underworld.
I died in a car accident.
What did he just say?
I died in a car accident.
You died in a car accident?
Yes.
Explain that.
No further questions.
I guess no further questions make sense because dead people cannot answer questions. So let that man rest in peace.
Doesn't take Perry Mason to figure out John McCroy is still very much alive, which probably explains why we were able to track him down at the courthouse.
Maybe those reporters are ghostbusters.
According to this criminal complaint against you, you haven't paid child support in 5 years.
Right. Correct.
And I'm still working on my Coke addiction, my Diet Coke addiction, that is. You know?
Looking for a fast, reliable internet connection, all at a fair price? Fuck you.
Okay. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my fucking God! Oh! Oh! No! Get the camera! Mommy! Mommy! Oh my God!
Everything you wanted is a lie.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Dun 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 dun.